Hello friends, you're welcome back to the tutorial. So in this class I'm gonna take you on a wonderful topic. Don't forget, do it to follow Grand Skills on Twitter at officialgrandskill-int. Let's go on to the class immediately. Okay, in this tutorial we're gonna be talking about the types of poultry system. Types of poultry system. Now this is how the poultry house looks like. This is how it looks like. So here you can use your aluminium here, and you can also use a concrete, and the whole body being covered with wire gauze up and down everywhere. And this place, there should be an opening. This first staircase here, there should be an opening here on top where you pour water there and you pour antiseptics inside there. So whoever that wants to go into the poultry, whether the worker or whoever, will first of all dip his or her leg in this water to disinfect the legs before moving into the poultry, so the person doesn't carry in infectious diseases. So this is also a poultry. So this one is actually covered all the body. So it is being covered because it is being used for brooding. So you can, if you want to do your brooding, you cover it very well, cover everywhere, so there won't be any escape of heat, at least for the first 1 week. So this also, you can also do something like this staircase here where you put antiseptic. So this is also a poultry being built. You can see how it is, a dwarf concrete. After that, you can roof and use a wire mesh and cover the whole body, cover everywhere. And after building, this is a drinker, this is a feeder. This is drinker, the white and red is a drinker, while this is a feeder. This can be placed on top of something. There are the ones that are called placing drinkers. Those ones can also be hanged like the feeder. So this is the feeder. The feeder is always being hanged. And this one that doesn't have a hanger can be placed on top of something. And this is actually a deep litter system. Deep litter system. When you hear deep litter, like I said before, this is a system like an open range, an enclosed open range. Now this is inside the poultry. This is a placing drinker. A placing drinker can be hung. So this is also a feeder. You can see this is the feeder you saw before, and this also is a placing drinker. So this also is a long feeder. Instead of this, you can use this, but this can actually carry more birds than this one. Okay, so you can go for this one, and you can also hang them instead of keeping them on the floor. So like this now, this is wrong, so you have to hang the feeder. So this is also a deep litter system. You can see it can be used for broiler. It can also be used for layers or any birds at all. So it is a system of its own that you can use in raising any birds at all. So this is a deep, and this is a long feeder. You can see, and this has a nipple drinker. A nipple drinker. You can see the nipple drinkers. So you also see them very well later. So this is a battery cage system. A battery cage system, you can also use battery cage in brooding your day-old chicks. And This is a battery cage for layers. You can see the eggs. When they lay the eggs fall out, so they will not be able to eat the eggs. You can see how it is. So that is it. So this is also the one for broiler. You can see, so you can actually raise any birds at all in battery cage. Same way as the deep litter. You can use it for any bird. So you can see the broiler eggs. These ones are the parent stock of broiler. So now you can see battery cage and you can see these birds defeathering. You can see looking so sick, looking so tattered. This is really bad, not good at all. So what is the cause of it? The cause of it is uh, wrong battery cage. Wrong battery cage. It means those who installed the battery cage didn't install it very well. So with this, there will be, if the installation didn't go very well, the birds will be pulling on each other. The ones at the top will be pulling on each other. So as they get pulling on each other, the ones below will actually get sick and they will die more, so massively, uncontrollable, and they will be defeathering as well. So if the battery cage is well kept or well installed, this is how your birds are gonna look like, very healthy and strong. Okay, so that is it for uh, types of poultry system. And in our next tutorial, we'll be coming back to talk about a wonderful topic once more. Thank you very much.